Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do you set up fingerprint or lock in WhatsApp. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp on your Android smartphone. Then simply open the WhatsApp application, tap on these three dots in the top right and simply go for this settings. Now in settings, tap on this account and you will see these options here. And here if you scroll down you will see this option here, app lock. You can tap on it and you can see unlock with biometric. You can toggle this on and then you have to apply your fingerprint and you can select automatically lock it immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. I am going for this after 1 minute and then you are good to go. Now you will see whenever you open your WhatsApp you have to apply your fingerprint. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set up fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.